Hi, I want to show you a mouse trail set that I set up, and the reason why I do this is because I don't want to catch the house wrens. You can hear there's a male in the background that's singing. Actually, we got quite a few house wrens around here right now. And I want to catch the mice without catching the house wrens. Now, I did catch a house wren about 5 years ago. I feel bad about it, so I figured out ways to be able to still do my mouse trapping without house wrens. So I got a productive property. There's a lot of food here, and I'm attracting all the mice from probably within a mile of the city. So it's my job to take them out. At least that's what I feel. And this pot here actually hides a trap. Now this is part of my forest garden. This entire little area here has been fenced, including this hardware cloth that I have actually dug into the ground a little ways. And the critters, you know, they're going to hit that hardware cloth and they're going to follow it. And right here I have an entrance, and there's a little bitty gap underneath the entrance door, and they come in through here. Right here, you can see this little slot right there. They're coming right through there. And they can't get on this side, but they can go underneath that pot because I hollowed out a little groove. And some critters like to, I seen pots pushed over, so they're trying to force their way in through there. So I got some sticks here to keep that pot in place. So no other critter has to dig under there. And you know, mice, they get under small spots, they're going to get under that. And underneath there I have a trap. And now I can catch that mouse without catching the house wrens. So, we got to take care of the mice, because otherwise the mice are going to overrun the place and eat all the produce. We don't want that to happen. Okay, thanks for watching.